Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDC from Bitmart to XMO in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will help you navigate the process safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, withdrawing USDC can be simple if you follow these steps carefully. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and XMO. Log into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section. This is where you'll find your USDC balance. Double check that you have enough USDC to cover the withdrawal amount, plus any network fees. Next, locate the Withdraw button next to your USDC asset. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch to your XMO account and find your USDC wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's crucial to get it right to avoid losing your funds. Paste the XMO address into the Recipient Address field on Bitmart. After that, select the network for the withdrawal. For USDC, it's usually ERC20 on Ethereum, but always verify if 2025 updates have introduced new options like Polygon for faster, cheaper transfers. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's below your available balance. Review all the details one last time to catch any errors. Hit the Confirm or Withdraw button, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once approved, your USDC should be on its way. Transaction times can vary, but on a standard network, it might take 5 to 30 minutes. Head back to XMO and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDC from Bitmart to XMO in 2025. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify addresses and fees. If you encounter any issues, reach out to the exchange's support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and see you next time.